Welcome guys, this is the unboxing of the Meta Quest 3, the 128 gig version. So we're just gonna go ahead and take it out of the box here. And so we can open this, and there it is. So this is what's in the box right here. A new improved Meta Quest VR with improved graphics as well, and speed as well, and the pass-through is a little bit better than before, so I'd like to test the pass-through in my next video. Yes, comes with these two controllers here, left and right, and I think they mentioned that it comes with batteries in here. I should get things in this box right here. So yeah, so it comes with charging cable, charging block as well, and then the batteries should be in there somewhere. But yeah, so welcome to my unboxing of the Meta Quest 3. I will try it and then I'll make another video of the performances. So enjoy, you can grab one.